Start, please. If someone come from other country and he don't know the Kinyarwanda language, so explain a bit, like introductory word, how to greet the people, how to introduce the Kinyarwanda language. Please.
Actually, Kinyarwanda is, people say the Kinyarwanda is a bit difficult language, but I don't think it is, because
it's very easy, not
it
to.
It is very easy for the person who want to know it,
who want to learn.
Who want to learn it.
They can.
You can easily start by a few words. Actually, there's a few basic words to use, like you need to say hi to the people when you meeting them. When you get in the village, kids will start telling you some words in Kinyarwanda. So you should maybe have like a very few, not much, but few just for helping.
Okay, please elaborate step by step.
Let's say like you want to say good morning.
Yes.
It's the morning time.
Yes.
You say mwaramutse.
Baramutse.
Waramutse, it's like a one person.
Yes.
If you say mwaramutse, it's like more than one person.
Okay.
Mwaramutse, then the person will say mwaramutse. Like if you say good morning, the answer is good morning too.
Yes.
So if you say mwaramutse, it's same, it's mwaramutse.
Baramutse.
Then in the afternoon time, it's a good afternoon. So in Kinyarwanda, it's mwiriwe. Mwiriwe means mwiriwe, and the person will answer mwiriwe namwe. Mwiriwe, it's like a good afternoon too. In evening time,
mwiriwe namne.
Mwiriwe namwe. Namwe means good afternoon too.
Okay, for you also.
Evening time, same you say mwiriwe. Yeah. So like if you want to say how are you, you say amakuru. The answer of how are you is fine.
Yes, fine.
Then amakuru, the answer is nimeza. Nimeza means good.
Yeah, we are good.
Yeah. Then you can say muraho. That's hi. Hi. That means muraho.
Someone is called amahoro also. Muraho, amahoro same.
Amahoro is a piece.
Yeah,
Amahoro is a piece, like a Amahoro Stadium.
Yeah, we have a new stadium.
Piece stadium.
Big stadium.
The new stadium. Yeah.
Yes.
Like you say, muraho is muraho. Amakuru nimeza. Mwiriwe.
Okay.
Ngaramutse is the greeting from morning time. Ngaramutse. Let's say, what is your name?
Oh.
Yeah.
Jina lako ni nani in Swahili?
Jina lako ni nani? Hiyo ni Swahili.
Yes.
Nasikia unaongea Swahili kidogo na ni sawa, hapo ni sawa kabisa. Okay. Jaribu kidogo. Okay. Unafika kwa kitu unataka.
Okay.
Amakuru ni meza. Witkwande. What is your name? Witkwande. And me nitwa Andre. My name is Andrew. Yeah. And you, your name, Witkwande?
Ahmad Javed.
Witwa Hamad Javed. See? Yeah.
Yes,
easy, slowly.
Yeah, we can pick those lines.
We're picking slowly.
And someone
you can
called
get
also Bite.
Bite Nibjiza. Bite Nibjiza. It's like a hi.
Okay.
It's like hi.
Those are the slangs we are using in Kinyarwanda.
Yeah.
And another thing, if you wanted to go with anyone and how to approach the good words in Kinyarwanda, like I know what is your name, how are you, we can ask, and even muraho, even the greeting. For what other words, if someone wanted to say thank you after meeting, so they say what you call in Kinyarwanda?
Thank you. It's murakoze. Murakoze. That's thanking someone. It's like asante sana. So asante sana, if you add this sana, means thank you so much. So it's murakoze chane. Murakoze chane.
Karibu.
Karibu, it's like welcome.
Yes.
So karibu kwa Kinyarwanda, it's ikaze.
Okay, man, that's good.
Yeah,
that's good.
So slowly I'll be giving you more sources. Yes.
So hope you guys, we have a small tutorial for Kinyarwanda language, English to Kinyarwanda, and For more video, you subscribe the channel, like the video, and share everyone in whole world, so everyone can understand and see the beauty of Rwanda. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Africa.
Ciao.